Let us start gaseous state. In the gaseous state, let us go for liquefaction of carbon dioxide. Andrews isotherm of liquefaction of carbon dioxide gas. Liquefaction of carbon dioxide gas. Here we are converting this carbon dioxide gas into liquid. Here iso means same. Therm in the sense thermal. Thermal means temperature. So isotherm means temperature remains same. Temperature remains constant. Given by Andrews. So isotherm means it is this is done at constant temperature. It is done at constant temperature. Okay. So it is called isotherm. This is done by Andrews. So it is called Andrews isotherm of liquefaction of carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Now here we will take carbon dioxide gas. We are taking carbon dioxide gas. Here isotherm means keep the temperature constant. We are fixing the temperature. We are keeping the constant temperature, and we are applying the pressure. Apply the pressure. So carbon dioxide gas is converting into what in the sense a liquid. Carbon dioxide gas is converting into liquid. On applying the pressure to this, it will be long lasting as a liquid. It will be long lasting as a liquid by keeping temperature constant. Sir. Now see that you are taking carbon dioxide gas. Here as per this heading we are taking carbon dioxide gas. Isotherm. Iso means same. Therm means thermal energy. So temperature. Isotherm means temperature is fixed. We are fixing the temperature. And we are applying the pressure. Pressure is applied. So carbon dioxide gas is converting into liquid. Carbon dioxide gas is converting into liquid. Then on further application of pressure also, carbon dioxide gas is long lasting as a liquid. Carbon dioxide is a long lasting as a liquid here. Okay. Now in this case, we are taking how many moles of carbon dioxide we'll see. Suppose we are taking 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas. 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas. We are keeping the temperature some constant value. Temperature we are fixing, some value we are fixing. Then we are applying pressure. We are applying the pressure. Okay. So temperature is fixed. We are applying the pressure. So what will happen? What will happen to this gas? This gas continues to be gas for certain pressure. This gas continues to be gas for a certain pressure, for a certain range of pressure. You are taking some moles of gas, you are keeping temperature is constant, you are applying the pressure. Set. Gas, what happens to this carbon dioxide gas in the sense? Gas continues to be gas for a certain range of pressure. Okay. Now, number of moles. What happens to the number of moles? Number of moles is how much moles we are taking, that many moles will be there. Temperature is fixed. We are increasing the pressure. So what term will be changing? Which term will change? Do you feel? Which term will change? Is there any other parameter will change in this process? Is there any other parameter will change in this process? Any other parameter? Any other parameter in the sense any other measurable term? Any other measurable term will it change in this process? Matter will not change. Okay, you are changing volume. Sorry. So what happens to the volume? Here we'll see volume decreases. Okay. volume decreases, we are saying. In this place, volume decreases. So we are taking certain moles of gas, we are keeping temperature constant, we are applying pressure. So what happens to the volume means volume decreases. Now gas continues to be gas for a certain range of pressure. So after this, on applying pressure, now we are increasing the pressure. Okay, we are increasing the pressure. Okay, if we increase the pressure, what happens here? If we increase the pressure, what happens? That we will see. Gas starts to liquefy. Gas starts to liquefy. Gas is starting to liquefaction. Gas starts to liquefy. Sir, gas starts to liquefy, we said. Then we are applying pressure continuously. Okay, applying pressure, we are continuing the pressure applying. Okay, now gas starts liquefying, we said. Gas starts to liquefy. Gas starts to liquefy. Now let us continue applying pressure. So we are increasing the pressure. If we increase the pressure, what happens? On increasing the pressure continuously, what will happen to the extent of liquefaction? What happens to the extent of liquefaction? That means conversion of carbon dioxide gas into liquid carbon dioxide. What happens to that extent? What happens to the liquefaction tendency of carbon dioxide gas? You are applying pressure. Sorry. On applying pressure, gas can be converted into, can we say gas can be converted into liquid? Shall we say this? On applying pressure, gas can be converted into liquid. That can we say? Sorry. On applying pressure, gas can be converted into liquid, you are saying. Now, for a certain range of pressure, now here see, you are taking some moles of gas, you fixed temperature, you are applying pressure. So what happens means gas continues to be gas for a certain range of pressure, we said. On applying pressure further, gas starts to liquefy. Now that means gas is starting to liquefy, in the sense we are getting liquid carbon dioxide. While we are increasing the pressure continuously. Already gas started to liquefy. Already gas molecules started to liquefy. That means converting carbon dioxide gas is converting into carbon dioxide liquid. Carbon dioxide gas starts to liquefy. Now, on further increasing the pressure, what will happen to the extent of liquefaction? That means number of carbon dioxide gas molecules converting into liquid carbon dioxide, what happens? On further increasing of pressure, what happens to the number of carbon dioxide molecules converting into liquid? Here, in this place, we are saying gas starts to liquefy, which indicates just starting. Some molecules, here we are taking certain moles, means all the molecules will not convert into liquid at a time. Some molecules will convert into liquid. Sorry, why all the molecules are not converting into liquid? Why do we say some molecules alone convert into liquid? Sir, why is it so? That we'll see. We will take a, for this we'll take like this vessel. Like this vessel we'll take. In this we'll take carbon dioxide gas. We are keeping a piston here. Then like this tube we will take. Like this tube we will take. We are taking like this tube. Like this tube we will take. Okay. Now it is a tiny hole. Tiny hole. Like this we'll take. Tiny hole we'll take. Let us apply pressure here. So you are keeping some temperature. You are keeping certain temperature. You are keeping certain temperature here. You are applying the pressure. You are applying the pressure. Now this carbon dioxide gas coming like this, coming like this, coming like this. With high pressure it is coming. Now it is coming out through this tiny hole. Carbon dioxide is coming out through tiny hole. Sorry. When it is coming out through tiny hole, what happens to the distance between carbon dioxide gas molecules when compared to distance here? You applied high pressure, therefore carbon dioxide is a compressed gas. Compressed carbon dioxide gas because of high pressure. Compressed carbon dioxide gas. Compressed carbon dioxide gas, which indicates distance between gas molecules. Distance between carbon dioxide gas molecules. Carbon dioxide gas molecules will be low, shall we say, or high, shall we say. Compressed carbon dioxide gas. Why do we say compressed? Because we applied high pressure. Since we applied high pressure, carbon dioxide gas is compressed. Therefore, distance between carbon dioxide gas molecules is low. Sorry. Distance is low in the sense we made carbon dioxide gas molecules to be at closer. We made carbon dioxide gas molecules to be at closer. Sorry. So at that time when it is compressed, when it is compressed, shall we say between carbon dioxide gas molecules repulsion is dominating, shall we say, or attraction will dominate, shall we say. It is compressed. Compressed in the sense it is compressed in the sense it is forced to be like this. Carbon dioxide gas is forced. Carbon dioxide gas is forced to be like this. Carbon dioxide compressed means carbon dioxide gas is forced to be present like this. Present like this. Now, between carbon dioxide molecules, what can be dominating? Repulsive force can be dominating or attractive force can be dominating. That we have to see. Between carbon dioxide gas molecules, which force will dominate? Attraction or repulsion? That we have to see. So anyhow, we can say interaction is possible. Anyhow, between carbon dioxide gas molecules, interaction is possible. We cannot say that only attraction, or we cannot say that only repulsion. Why? Because it is compressed. It is compressed. Sorry. So, since it is compressed, distance between carbon dioxide gas molecules is low. So, interaction is high. Interaction between gas molecules is high. Now, this compressed carbon dioxide gas is coming through this vessel like this, and it is coming out through this tiny hole. When it is coming out through this tiny hole, what happens? Coming out through this tiny hole. Now, what happens to the distance between carbon dioxide molecules? What happens to the distance between carbon dioxide molecules? What happens to the distance between carbon dioxide molecules? It comes out through tiny hole. Now, how the distance will be there? Here it is compressed. Here it is compressed. The compressed gas is passing through this pipe and coming out through this tiny hole. It came out through tiny hole. It came out through tiny hole. Now, how the distance between carbon dioxide molecules will be there? Will it be same like here, or will it be higher than this one, or will it be lower than this one? What do you say? Now, carbon dioxide molecules are coming out through this tiny hole. Now, distance between carbon dioxide molecules will be what when compared to this compressed time? When compared to compressed time. Now, sorry, okay. You are saying lower than this compressed. You are saying lower than compressed. You are saying okay. We will check it. Now, carbon dioxide coming out through tiny hole came out in the sense. Now, do you feel will it be free when compared to this compressed, or will it be still compressed when compared to this? What do you feel? Now this carbon dioxide molecules will be free when compared to this carbon dioxide gas, or it is not free when compared to carbon dioxide, compressed carbon dioxide. What do you say? Compressed means molecules are made to be closer. Free in the sense distance between molecules will be high. Now it came out through tiny hole. It came out. Now it is outside. Now it is outside in the sense now it is somewhat free when compared to compressed carbon dioxide gas, or it is same like compressed carbon dioxide gas, or it is still more compressed when compared to this compressed carbon dioxide gas. What do you think? Sorry. Now we will consider LPG gas in the cylinder. LPG gas in the cylinder. Inside the cylinder, LPG gas is there. If you open that knob, LPG gas comes out freely, or we have to make it to come out. We have to make it to come out. What do you say? You think it? LPG gas is there in the cylinder. If we open that knob, LPG gas, it itself comes out, no? It itself comes out, no? Sir. Now, even in the for patients, for respiration, oxygen gas will be given through cylinder. In the cylinder, oxygen gas will be present. Oxygen gas will be there at high pressure. On opening the knob, oxygen gas from the cylinder, it itself comes out. Why is it so, you think? What is the reason, you think? Now see, even scuba divers will take. Scuba divers means they will go to ocean for research. So what they will take? They will take a cylinder. In the cylinder will be there here pipe. Here cylinder will be there. In the cylinder, what is packed in the sense? What is there in the sense? Helium gas, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas. This mixture will be there in the cylinder. It is this is connected to what in the sense? Nose for respiration, because they will go for research in the ocean. So for respiration they need air. So they will take this cylinder. In the cylinder, helium, nitrogen, oxygen mixture will be there. It will be, this pipe will be connected to the nose. So this gas will be taken for a respiration. The gas will be taken for the respiration. Now you think that here knob will be there. If you open this knob, automatically the gas will go. No? Why the gas is going automatically? Because this is a compressed gas. It is compressed. Compressed means high pressure. High pressure. Compressed means high pressure. That means we made a distance between molecules. We made a distance between gas molecules low. We made distance between gas molecules low. That means gas molecules are much closer here. It is this position is brought by us. This position is brought by us, not by themselves, not by themselves, not by their own, not by their own. This distance is brought by us, not by their own. Not by their own means by their by gas molecules. That means this position is brought against to them, against to them. That's why we are saying compressed high pressure we are doing. So when you are opening the knob, they themselves comes out. They themselves comes out without any external force. On opening the knob, they themselves comes out without external force. They themselves comes out means they do not like this position. They do not like this position. That's why they themselves comes out. Now you say how the distance will be there. How the distance between molecules. How the distance between molecules will be there after coming here. Now you are saying it is more. That sorry, distance is more. You are saying. So in this the same phenomenon we will discuss here. Here we took carbon dioxide gas. We kept some temperature. We placed this carbon dioxide gas at certain temperature. Now you are applying high pressure. We are applying high pressure. We made carbon dioxide gas as compressed carbon dioxide gas. We forced distance between carbon dioxide gas molecules to be low. We forced carbon dioxide gas molecules to come closer, and we made the distance between carbon dioxide gas molecules to be low. To be low. We made like that. We made carbon dioxide gas molecules to be at closer. To be at closer. Okay. That means this position is brought by us, not by their own. Not by their own. This position is brought by us, not by their own means it is against themselves. It is against themselves. So this position is brought by us in the sense now between carbon dioxide gas molecules, what force will dominate? Repulsive force will dominate or attractive force will dominate? What do you think? What do you say? Now carbon dioxide gas is compressed. We are doing like this. We are doing that. So we are forcing carbon dioxide gas molecules to be much closer, not by their own, not by their own. So this indicates between carbon dioxide gas molecules repulsive force is dominating. So between carbon dioxide gas molecules repulsive force is there. It is brought by us, not by their own. Sir, that means how the carbon dioxide molecules will be there means, shall we say carbon dioxide molecules are free here, carbon dioxide molecules are free here or not free or under strain? What shall we say? Carbon dioxide molecules here, shall we say carbon dioxide molecules are free, carbon dioxide molecules are not free or under strain, or it is just like normal? What shall we say? So carbon dioxide molecules you are saying under strain. Carbon dioxide molecules under strain here. So now compressed carbon dioxide gas comes like this. It is coming out through this hole. It is tiny hole. Now it is coming out. It is hole. So that hole is there means gas will come out. No. So it is coming out. Now you say how the distance between carbon dioxide molecules will be there here. How the distance between carbon dioxide molecules will be there when compared to this compressed carbon dioxide gas. Here we are compressing. Okay, here we are not doing anything. So you are saying that distance between carbon dioxide molecules increases. That means you are saying expansion. You are saying expansion. Sir, you are saying expansion. Okay. Now expansion in the sense distance between carbon dioxide molecules increases. Now you say who made to rise the distance between carbon dioxide gas molecules? Who made distance between carbon dioxide molecules to be raised? By us or by their own? Who made distance between carbon dioxide molecules to be raised? Is it done by us or is it done by carbon dioxide? So you are saying that it is done by carbon dioxide. So that is here you see that one student says it is done by us, you are saying. Now you think that here we are doing compression. Okay, it is compressed gas. Okay, we made it as compressed gas. Then here pipe we have connected here pipe. Here tiny hole is there. Here in this place we made carbon dioxide as compressed. We made compressed carbon dioxide gas. Then through this pipe which is coming, carbon dioxide molecules are coming. Carbon dioxide molecules are coming by themselves, or we are forcing the carbon dioxide to go like this, they themselves are going, or uh, we are forcing the carbon dioxide gas to go only in this direction. In this direction the carbon dioxide gas should go. In that way we are giving condition. What shall we say? Are we making carbon dioxide to go in this direction like this, or they themselves moves? They themselves move. What shall we say? So here we are compressing, no doubt. We are bringing the piston down. We are bringing the piston down in the sense we are compressing the carbon dioxide gas. We are compressing carbon dioxide gas. Are we directing carbon dioxide gas to go like this? We are not directing. Here empty gap is there, therefore they themselves coming like this. Here tiny hole is there, therefore they themselves coming out like this. So coming out, they themselves coming out. Of course, we are applying pressure, no doubt. We are applying pressure. Suppose here we are not applying pressure. We are taking carbon dioxide gas, you think. Like this pipe we have connected means the carbon dioxide gas, they themselves come out through this pipe and come out through this hole and goes out, no? Isn't it or not? If you do not apply pressure also, carbon dioxide gas will come out or not? Come out. It is their home. It is its nature. Its nature in the sense it will move randomly. Wherever empty gap is there, it will go. Since here available place is there, therefore it is moving like this. It is moving like this. It is this movement is its nature, because it will not be at rest. By its nature, it is coming like this, sir. Now distance between here we can say the carbon dioxide molecules are coming out through this tiny hole. Carbon dioxide molecules coming out through this tiny hole by its own. Sir, carbon dioxide molecules coming out through this tiny hole by its own. So distance between carbon dioxide molecules increased by its own. So carbon dioxide gas molecules undergoing expansion. So now carbon dioxide molecules, they themselves moving away. To move away, carbon dioxide molecules should overcome this force or not. They themselves moving away in the sense, will they spend some energy? They themselves moving away because distance is raised. They themselves moving away in the sense, they themselves moving away. So will they spend some energy? Will they spend some energy in order to move away? In order to move away? Will they spend some energy in order to overcome this force? In order to overcome this force? They themselves moving away. That means they should overcome this force. They should overcome this force. Will it spend energy while doing like this? Or will it gain energy while doing this? What it will do? Will it gain energy while doing this? Or will it lose energy some by doing this? Now, the carbon dioxide molecules, they themselves move away. They themselves move away. While will they lose energy or will they gain energy? So one student says lose energy. So is there any possibility of gaining energy? Is there any possibility of gaining energy? Gaining energy possibility is there? Sir, gaining energy possibility is not there, therefore it is losing energy. So losing energy in the sense, what happens to the kinetic energy of molecules? What happens to the kinetic energy of gas molecule? What happens to the kinetic energy of carbon dioxide molecules? Kinetic energy, will it reduce or it will not reduce? Kinetic energy reduces. Kinetic energy reduces in the sense, what happens to the temperature of molecules? What happens to the temperature of molecules? What happens to the temperature of molecules? Kinetic energy reduces, we said. Kinetic energy reducing means temperature getting reduced. So temperature getting reduced in the sense, now molecules will come closer or molecules will move far away. Temperature is reduced. Kinetic energy is decreased. So molecules will come closer. Molecules coming closer in the sense, by their own or bias. Molecules coming closer by their own. By their own in the sense, attractive force dominates or repulsive force dominates. By their own, they are coming closer. Now attractive force dominates. Attractive force dominates. They are coming closer. Attractive force is dominating. So now you say, is there any possibility that molecules converting into liquid? Molecules converting into liquid possibility is there or not? They themselves coming closer. Why? Because attractive force. Therefore, converting into liquid. They are converting into liquid. So gas is converting into liquid. Shall we say all the gas molecules have converted into liquid, shall we say, or the molecules whose kinetic energy is such that which is equal to liquid molecules kinetic energy, which is converting into liquid. Now what we are saying here you see that here the molecules the gas molecules which have kinetic energy equal to kinetic energy of liquid molecules kinetic energy of liquid molecules kinetic energy of liquid molecules which convert to which convert to liquid, shall we say, or all the gas molecules will convert to liquid? What shall we say? So you are saying that liquid molecules that means you are saying that for which gas molecules, kinetic energy equal to kinetic energy of liquid molecules, those gas molecules alone convert to liquid. All the molecules do not. All the molecules do not. Sir. So now that means some molecules are converting into liquid. So remaining molecules will be in the gas only, no? Some molecules are converting into liquid, remaining molecules will be in the gas form. Okay, that remaining molecules again we will take here. So what happens? Again compressing, the process continues. Now what happens? Some more molecules will liquefy. Again continue the process. Still more molecules will liquefy. If we continue the process continuously, then what will happen? At each stage, certain molecules will convert into liquid. At last, all the molecules converted to liquid. So we cannot say at one stage itself all the gaseous molecules are converting into liquid. We cannot say. At first stage, some molecules will convert into liquid. Then we have to proceed. Again. Then in the second stage, some more molecules will convert into liquid. Like this, if you proceed, at last all the gaseous molecules have converted to liquid. That point we can say. Sir. Now we are taking certain moles of gas. Suppose X moles of carbon dioxide gas we are taking. X moles of carbon dioxide gas we are taking. We are keeping a certain temperature. At certain temperature placed, we are applying pressure. We are going on applying pressure. This gas continues to be gas for a certain range of pressure. Okay. Now we are continuing applying pressure. Now we are saying that gas starts to liquefy. Shall we say gas starts to liquefy? At that time, gas starts to liquefy. This meaning is all the gas molecules converted to liquid, or it is ready for liquefaction. Now see, gas starts to liquefy in the sense at this time or at this pressure, all the gas molecules converted to liquid, shall we say, or it is ready for liquefaction. Think it. So shall we say it is ready for liquefaction? We cannot say that all the molecules have converted to liquid. We cannot say all the molecules have converted to liquid. We cannot say. Sir, it is gas is ready for liquefaction. Okay. Now we will apply pressure. Again we will apply pressure. Shall we say some gaseous molecules converted to liquid, while remaining molecules are in gaseous state. While remaining molecules are in gaseous state. Like this we can say. Here gas starts to liquefy, we said. That means gas is ready for liquefaction. You are applying pressure continuously. This pressure application is continuously to be done.